Hi, this is Andrew with EVO Manufacturing. Today we're going to go through the installation process and some of the features and benefits of our NoLimits Swaybar Disconnect. This works on Rubicon, JL, JT, JK, and Power Wagon. We have two options. One's a manual that you turn the knob in to disengage the sway bar, out to engage the sway bar. And we have another option, which is our air actuated one, which we call our on-demand. This one is actuated by the air system that you likely already have on your vehicle. Just run a solenoid and line to it on a switch and it works just like that. One of the reasons why you'd want to run this is the factory sway bar is controlled by the CAN bus or the computer system on the Jeep, and it kind of tells you when you can and cannot use your sway bar. This allows you to kind of override that system, and you can choose to use it when and when you do not. Having the ability to run it maybe a little bit faster of a speed and or run it in 4-high or 2-wheel drive for those occasions. Removing some of that roll resistance in the front sway bar off-road will allow for a lot better ride quality. You will have a little bit more sway, but it will give you some a better ride quality when you're kind of hitting rocks on one side, not the other. It kind of smooths out the ride. So it is a nice part to have. It's super easy to install. It's super easy to use, and it's super effective. So let's give it a shot. Let's show you how an EVO NoLimits works. With the knob fully out, you can see the sway bar is connected. With turning the knob all the way in, you can see the sway bar will disconnect and there'll be zero resistance in the bar. In order to reconnect, simply turn the knob all the way back out. Once the sway bar reaches level or neutral, it'll pop into place and reconnect. All you'll need to install is 3 simple tools. One is a 15mm wrench or ratchet, one is a zip tie, and one is a side cut or wire cutter. First step will be to remove the plug. Simply depress the button right here and pull. All right, next step is to remove the 3 bolts. Next, snip the washer that is supplied on the part. Simple 3/8 washer in similar diameter to the spring. It's a buffer between the spring and the aluminum casing. Next step is to install the manual NoLimits. The spring will insert into the pocket in the sway bar. Now install the 3 factory bolts in the same locations that they were removed. With the same 15mm ratchet, torque down the 3 bolts. To use the EVO NoLimits, simply turn the knob in, which will disconnect the sway bar, allowing for a smoother off-road ride. Turn the knob all the way back out when you're getting off the trail about to hit the road. Once the sway bar hits level, it'll pop into and connect again.